Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is February the 22nd, 2018, and I wanted to give you an update on my dahlia seedlings that I actually started in the seed starting mix. And I started these back in January on the 16th. And, hold on a moment here, I gotta get the tag back in. I wanted to actually show you something here. This one here, let me camera focus in here on it, actually shot another root off of this stem and it went down into the soil. So at this leaf nod here, it shot another root off and went down and rooted itself into the soil. So they're definitely growing their roots, and I'll show you these over here. I did have to actually move them down from the light because we don't want the light to touch the leaves because we'll burn them, and we don't want to do that. And I wanted to show you the root systems on them. So these are actually ready to be transplanted to a bigger container. So I haven't decided yet if I want to transplant them to 2-inch containers or exactly what I want to plant them in next. I don't know if I want to put them in a planter and just let them grow from there. I haven't quite decided yet. But I just wanted to give you an update video on them. Nice, beautiful plants here. Lots of nice branching here. And you could actually pinch these right now. And if you wanted to pinch them, what you would do is you would just come, you can see the leaves here. You can see the stem. You can see the sets here where there's more stems growing out. You would come right up here, right at this stem right here, and you would just pinch this growing tip here out. So if you wanted to pinch them, that's how you could pinch them. So I just wanted to show you that. And if you pinch them, it will make them bushier. It will give you more flowers. It will make the plant bushier because you're gonna top it right here, and then all this growth down here and down in through here will have to shoot out. So ultimately you'll have a bushier plant with more blooms. So, but that's your choice. So you just pinch this out if you want to top it. You could use like a small pair of scissors to do that with, if you can't get your fingers in there, or I don't know, maybe like I don't even know if you could get in there with a nail clippers, but that's how you would pinch it. So there's another one back there, and you would just pinch, whoopsies, here, let me get it out here. You would just pinch the center growth part out. So I haven't decided if I want to pinch these yet, because I'm still trying to decide what I want to put them in next. But I just wanted to give you an update on them. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.